Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you have just made a new best friend. This is Hello Beauty with Emily. Today is gonna be a really fun, amazing, cute, fantastic look for you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's called Blue Fantasy. How amazing, how majestical does that sound? I'm gonna be diving in to the Culture and WAHALA II palettes today. It's like I was doing sit-ups. And man, let's just get started because I can't wait to make this come alive. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making this and creating this, because this came out so much better than I thought in my head. But anyways, please, on your way out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a ding, 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 and you know I posted. And please, guys, stay cute, stay beautiful, and we'll see you in my next video.